Hello, today we will guide you through how to link your credit card or bank account on Whop. If you want to make purchases smoothly on Whop, adding a payment method ahead of time is a quick and helpful step. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to go in your account settings so you can link either a credit card or a bank account using Whop's built-in payment setup. To begin, open Whop and go to the home page. This is your main starting point, and from here you'll be able to access your account controls. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This will open the account menu where you can manage your personal settings and billing options. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where Whop stores the main account preferences, including the section you'll need for managing how you pay. After the settings page loads, find and click on Payment Method. This area is specifically for viewing, updating, and adding payment options connected to your account. Next, click Add Payment Method. This will start the setup process for linking a new payment option. Depending on what you choose, you may be prompted to enter your card details or connect a bank account through a secure verification flow. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure. Whop will guide you through the remaining steps needed to complete the connection. Take your time and review each field carefully before submitting anything, especially when entering billing or banking information. If your bank account requires verification, make sure to complete any extra prompts that appear so the setup can finish successfully. As you go through the process, it's a good idea to double check that the information you enter matches the details on file with your bank or card provider. This can help avoid setup errors or payment issues later. Also, if you're linking a bank account, some verification methods may take a moment longer than adding a card, so don't worry if there's an extra confirmation screen. Once the on-screen process is complete, your new payment method should be linked to your Whop account and ready to use. That's it for this guide on linking your credit card or bank account on Whop.